All right, man. Welcome to Crow 777 Radio. This is a bumper for episode 309. Jason Lingren is with me, and Amanda Vollmer is back. We talk about a lot of healthful ideas. We cover things like cell salt. We talk about herpes. There's a lot of things you don't know about herpes that you may have thought you did. In hour two, we get into inoculation concerns in depth. But the first hour is free to everyone at crow777radio.com, CRROW777radio.com. Members know to log in. In the second hour, we address so many things that people are curious about and worried about if you follow on a censored platform as this one is. But join us at crow777radio.com, and I'd like to wish you all a happy, healthy, and higher-minded new era. Cheers.